ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video. In this video is gonna be awesome and very great. I'm so sorry for not posting over a month ago. I'm not actually posting on my channel. I had things in hand. I was working on this particular video. It's actually an oral video, oral electronic topic. And in this video we are going to be discussing about wireless power transmission. I've made tons of projects, or I've made tons of wireless power projects, but in this video we're going to cover the breakdown on the wireless theory. How does wireless power transmission actually work? What is wireless power transmission and how the theory actually works? I know I've made some kind of short explanations on those my wireless power transmission videos, but this video is basically oral. I'm not going to be making any. So let's get to the video. Now the first thing which is going to be coming to your mind is, what is wireless power transmission? Wireless power transmission is a very important discovery that has been discovered by the electronic enthusiasts, and it's very important in our today life. It's in phones, mobile devices, and a lot of electronic gadgets. But yes, I'm going to be explaining what the wireless power transmission actually is. Now, wireless power transmission is electromagnetic field, stuff like that. It transfers its energy through electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction, that is what it used to transfer its current. This is an example from the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is a new device that has actually come out, and come out on the early September. And yes, this feature of wireless power transmission is also in other series of iPhones. I guess starting from the iPhone 11. Now talking about the wireless power transmission, which is actually built in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you check on the 17 Pro Max, you can see, if you open the 17 Pro Max, you will go see some kind of maybe this is not the 17 Pro Max, this is my device. You're going to see some kind of coil at the back of the phone, and also there's also a wireless charger which actually comes with it. They call it iPad or something like that. There's also a pad that has another coil inside, so when you get the phone close to that charging pad, it's gonna charge the phone straight ahead. So now, how does this actually works? Now, there is a coil in the charging pad, and there's also a coil in your phone. So without the coil, it's not good. There's no magnetic field which is generated. So the transfer of electricity is through the magnetic field. Now, talking about the wireless power transmission, on how it actually transfers the electricity from the charging pad to the phone. There's a coil in the charging pad, and there's also a coil in the mobile phone. Now, AC current actually flows through that copper wire which are inside the charging pad, and these create a magnetic field. So now, when you get another coil, just as I made in my earlier wireless power transmission videos, when you get another coil, which is actually the receiver, serving as the receiver close to that transmitter, which is actually creating a magnetic field, that magnetic pulse can be induced from the transmitting coil into the receiving coil. Now, this is actually the wireless. Wireless without wires. There's no wires. It's just transferring magnetic field from the transmitting coil to the receiving coil. So now, when you get the phone close to it, which the coil is built in it, when you get close to it, the magnetic field actually flows from the transmitting coil to the receiving coil. Now, this receiving coil, there's a lot of capacitors and resistors inside the phone, which is going to break down the voltage to DC, and it's going to charge up the battery. So this is basically how the transmission actually works without wires. So wireless power transmission works basically on without wires. There are no wires in it. You just need to get the phone close to it, and boom, it's gonna work. So now, why did I mention the iPhone 17 Pro Max in this video? I'm not making any video for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm just relating the iPhone 17 Pro Max because it have another advanced feature on the wireless power transmission. The wireless power transmission is more improved in the iPhone 17 Pro Max, more suitable, more best, and more faster, and have a lot of range, and also more faster. You know that wireless power transmission is not really efficient. It's not 100% efficient more than using wires. So the newer iPhones, like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, they'll make it more suitable and more faster, even if you're using the wireless power transmission process. Now, talking about the types of wireless power transmission, there are different types of wireless power transmission that also have a lot of range. It's not only this type of inductive coupling wireless power transmission. This inductive coupling type of wireless power transmission actually works on shorter range. There are also different long distance wireless power transmission, like the radio waves. Radio waves, you don't have wires which are connected from the station to our mobile phones. We just need to turn on the radio in our phone, and yes, we get the station, we get the news. So there's also other different type of wireless power transmission that actually works on high frequencies and long distance. So yeah, you should not just put on your mind that wireless power transmission is just short range stuff. Yeah, it's not like that. Now checking on ChatGPT here, I saw 4 types of wireless power transmission, just to confirm on what I'm saying. Right here on the ChatGPT on my phone, you can see right here wireless power transmission. Yeah, the types of wireless power transmission. Number 1, we have the inductive coupling. Yeah, the inductive coupling is the one that we actually put in our, that are actually produced in our phones, that with the charging pad, you just need to keep your phone on top of the charging pad and charge your phone pretty well, and it does not have far range. And number 2, we have the resonant inductor. Yeah, it works on the much higher distance, and yeah, it does not it's not a short distance wireless power theory. It works on long distance, and same as the radio waves works on long distance stuff, high frequencies, and yeah, that is the basic type of wireless power transmission which I'm going to be listing here. Now, the wireless power theory, the whole matter of the wireless power was discovered by Nikola Tesla, yeah, over 100 years ago. Yeah, he was the first guy to actually discover wireless power transmission, and he was thinking of creating a great big wireless tower of like powering the whole city, but I guess it was not a success, and they are still trying to make that a success in the future, I guess. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment below. But yes, Nikola Tesla is the first person to discover wireless power transmission. He discovered it and he brought it to the world, and over 100 years ago. And yeah, now applications, about those applications in the wireless power transmission. Where is wireless power transmission found? Where can you find it? You can find it in a lot of devices, a lot of electric toothbrushes, or a lot of projects, and yeah, a lot of electronic enthusiasts use it to make projects, and also yeah, different devices using wireless power transmission. It's more safe, it's simple, it's not messy, no messy wires, and yeah, it's convenient. But yes, there's also disadvantages, such as it is not that efficient, and it actually gets hot. Yeah, heat losses can reduce its efficiency, and yes, that is the disadvantages and advantages. I hope you can state it out. If you have any more advantages or disadvantages you want to share with me, let me know in the comments below, and I hope you really enjoyed the video journey. Okay, now I think this video is coming to an end. Just to wrap things up, wireless power transmission is transferring electricity from one device to another without wires, and it works on electromagnetic induction with copper wires. Without copper wires, it's not going to be possible. Electromagnetic induction, that is what makes wireless power transmission possible, and this is the breakdown. I know you guys are gonna be saying, Successful Electronics, you didn't make any type of experiment to explain to us more about the wireless power transmission. Yes, I've made a lot of videos about wireless power transmission. You can go check it up here. I made a ton of wireless power transmission videos. I hope you really enjoyed, and I hope you really learned something in this video. Hope you really like it. Thank you very much for watching this video to this point. I hope you really enjoyed. Thank you so much. You can go check out my Patreon at Successful Electronics at patreon.com. You can go there. I post exclusive content. Yeah, I post the content which I don't post right here. So yes, if I want to post a notice of a new video, I actually post it right there before I post it on my YouTube channel. And yes, you can join for free. You can just join for free, and also you can buy me a coffee and select other membership tiers. But yes, you can join for free and become a member for free. If you don't want to become a paid member, you can become a free member. It's easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching this video to the ending. I hope you really enjoyed, and let me know if you like the video. Peace out. Bye bye.